I feel lost lately, both professionally and personally. I'm just not sure what to do next. So I made some research and I found something interesting I wanted to share with you. And there's actually 8 big crises in life. The 8 challenges that we face in life are the following. Number 1 is when we are infants, from age 0 to 1. We need to figure out how to trust, to survive and to feel safe. Number 2 is when we are age 1 to 3. We need to find out how to be more independent. That's when we learn to walk and talk. Number 3 and 4, age 3 to 12, we figure out how to take initiatives and feeling capable of doing things. Number 5, it's the phase of finding ourselves as teenagers, who we are, where we fit in. Number 6, it's from age 18 to 40. We focus on building relationships, love, friendships, relationships with colleagues. Number 7, from age 40 to 65, making a difference, contributing to the world, to our family and community is what matters to us. And then after 65, looking back at our life is the main challenge. So right now I'm stuck between finding myself and making a difference. And you know what? It's okay. And if you feel lost, I hope that you feel less lonely through this video.